Hello Steven, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Suzuki VZR 1800. It's a M109R. It has very low mileage. It's at 275 miles on it. The bike is from States. It looks like a brand new motorcycle. The price is 11,388 plus HST and licensing, and here's the VIN number as well, just in case if you need it for your insurance to get some quotes. It's a dark blue, navy blue, has 2 disc brakes in the front, inverted forks, lots of chrome. Tire condition is like new because the mileage is very low. The bike is 2011. You are asking me about the passenger seat. This is a seat cowl on it, but it comes with the passenger seat as well. This is the battery lead to charge the battery over here, and here's the ignition on the side too. So the bike is fully certified and is ready to go. The speedometer here shows miles and kilometers as well. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.